Well, 2022 is gone. It's time to do a 2023. Spent a little time working on my numbers there. And this 3 is what I come up with. I've got pretty much the full set of numbers except for I didn't have a 3. And then next year I've got to work on my 4. And then I'll have a complete set of fonts for my leather carvings. And just want to wish you the best 2023 and keep up with your leather work, and I really appreciate you watching my YouTube channel videos here. And it's time to cut out my leather here and carve this over to the leather. I've got plenty of video. Last year I did a in-depth look at carving in the 2022. You might want to take a look at that video. I'll put a link to that video in the description below. So Happy New Year. Have a great year. Oh, it wasn't recording.
Oh!
We're going to have to do that over. Hello, YouTubers. Landon and myself here. And we enjoy watching YouTube videos also. Who's your favorite YouTuber?
Mr. Beast.
Mr. Beast. He watches Mr. Beast quite a bit. That's a fun channel to watch. And Mr. Beast hands out a lot of cash sometimes. One of my favorite ones was when they had the hamburger joint and they had the drive-through, and they were giving away hamburgers and piles of cash.
You're right.
Okay. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.